today we are taking you to a boutique winery. Forget the commercial wineries, has this one, this is the real deal. We are going to bring you into getting to know all the flavors of Thailand.
No boring lesson, just a real conversation with the people that work the land every day. In Sardinia, the wine is not a product, it's a tale about wind, sea and soil. We're going to visit the small cellar and we're going to taste 4 excellent wine combined with typical product of our land. We're going to find why the Cannonau and Vermentino are so special. This is the moment more relaxed, the moment where the friendship are born. It's a moment where you are in contact with the nature. Our guests sometimes they write to me to tell me that the Sardinian wine changed their way of taste the wine. Do you want to know why? Just find out the link in the description to book the tour. Cheers! We're going to wait for you at the cellar.